Hey there, friends. It's Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com, and for today's 1-minute photo tip, I'm going to talk about what if you don't have a big, beautiful window to do your photos in. Like I've been showing you with the window in my bedroom. What if you don't have one of those windows? What are you going to do? Okay, here we go. If you don't have a big, beautiful window, I want you to come outside. I want you to find a location where you have this nice delineated line of where the sun is right next to your product. And I want you to put your product on this side of the dark line. It doesn't look like it's bright enough, but believe me, it is. So you can do this here. I'm on my front porch. Oh, look, my front porch. Or you can do this in your garage. Yay, garage. And again, place your products just on this dark side of the line and it will be gorgeous, I promise. All right, that's our tip for the day. And don't forget, even if you're photographing outside, make sure that you're using those 2 additional whiteboards to corral the light, and make sure that you're getting rid of those dark shadows or those additional dark spots on your products. And one more thing, if you are ready to kickstart your business and you would like to take it to the next level, go ahead and click the link in the description for the 3-part video series from my personal business coach, Renee Christine, where you can learn how to create a out-of-this-world product line for your business. I will see you next time. Bye.